Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today on Cooking with Corey, we're going to be doing some stuff with our wonderful sponsors over there at Grillaholics. We're going to be using their Herbacious Hen and their SPG in this one. And also, don't forget, they got some really cool grill tools over there. Go check them out. Get 20% off. You use my code Cooking with Corey. Anyway, chicken Parmesan burger today. We're going to use some basil puree, some marinara, some garlic, some panko, Grillaholics SPG, Grillaholics delicious Herbaceous Hen. Good stuff. Italian seasoning. We got some Parmesan back there. We got some fresh mozzarella here. We got some fresh basil. I got a little shallot down there that I had left that I want to get rid of. And we're going to use some ground chicken. All right, let's get this Herbaceous Hen, mozzarella, Parmesan deliciousness chicken burger. Let's go. Okay, folks, start out. We got our pound of ground chicken in there. This is one small shallot. Obviously, any of this you can leave out if you don't like it. I just had that shallot laying around. I wanted to get rid of it. Our basil puree. You definitely don't have to do this. You could do some fresh basil in there. Let's do probably a solid 2 tablespoons of that. Garlic. If you're not lazy like me, you can chop your own. I'm lazy. 1 tablespoon of that goes in there. Marinara of your choosing. Just probably 2 tablespoons. You know, we just want to add a little bit of moisture into that. Our Italian seasoning, use what you wish. All these Herbaceous Hens, the SPG and this Italian fusion seasoning have salt in them, so we're not going to need to. So we'll do 1 tablespoon of our Italian seasoning, of our Grillaholics SPG, 1 tablespoon, and then of our delicious Herbaceous Hen. Oh, this stuff is so good. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of this. So there's 1, there's 2. Okay, and we got everything in there. Now all we need to do is add our panko, and just add a solid 1/2 cup of that in there. And these are Italian. You don't have to use Italian. You can use regular, whatever. Anything go in here you want. I do suggest you go buy yourself some Herbaceous Hen. It is really, really, really good. Like I said, anything you buy there, 20% off. Use the Cooking with Corey. I'm going to get in here with my hands and mix that next. You don't need to see that. We'll be back and make some patties. Okay, folks, we got our mixture over here. We got our plate here. Not to get all gooey, you want to put some Pam on your hands. So just give you a little spritz of it on there. And this will hopefully keep that chicken from sticking all over you. All right, so get your chicken like so, and just make you a big old patty. We'll probably make, I don't know, probably 3 out of this, I think. That's all there is to it, folks. All right, there it is, and we will make the others and come back at you. Got the Weber heating up over there, 350. Folks, our patties are done made. One's a little smaller, that's okay. I just spray some Pam on this. We'll put it around the vortex here. So we're cooking a little bit indirect at the moment, like so. Put a piece of delicious applewood on there. We're gonna cover that up. We're gonna roll 350, and I will tell you how long it takes. All right, folks, we're about 10 minutes in here. I already quartered these, so we're gonna go ahead and give them a flipperoo. Obviously, I didn't get good color on that, did I? I didn't even get good cross marks on there. That's okay. It's not the end of the world. There we go. That was cooking a little faster over there. All right, these are starting to set up. I can tell. We're going to give them 5 minutes, and we'll stick them in a probe in there and see where they're at. But we want them to be around 165, and we're going to top them, plate them, and eat them. All right, folks, we are temping out good. We are temping out, and where are we at on this one? I already checked them. We're rolling up to 161. That'll definitely carry over to where we need it to go. And this one's right there with it, so we're good. We're good to go there. All right, let's plate these bad boys. Well, not plate, let's dress them up. Okay, we got our marinara, so we want to hit that with a big glob of marinara on our chicken patties, our chicken burgers, so to speak. You make sure you don't want to overcook these. You know, they are very, very lean. So then we'll hit it with some fresh basil. This is I usually end up Nice big old stack of it on there, on each patty, like so. Don't be shy. Basil's good for you. It's delicious. All right, mozzarella cheese. Here's each one of these with a slice of fresh mozzarella, like so, on top. And then Parmesan. Parmesan on there. I'm losing some because I'm trying to hurry for you guys, and I'm sorry about that, but here we go, like so. All right, gonna put the lid back on, let that melt, get some buns on there, get them toasted. We'll plate this bad boy up. All right, folks, here we are. There's our end product. We gotta get these bad boys off here and get them plated. Look at that deliciousness right there. All right, I'm gonna pull these off. We'll get them on their buns over there. Take a picture, let them cool, cut into them. All right, we got our bun there. We toasted our buns on our Weber kettle. Here's our patty. I did put a little parm on the bottom. That should melt from the heat of our patty right there. That's all there is to it. We're gonna lid them up, and there you got it. Chicken Parmesan burger with Herbacious Hen from Grillaholics. Some Italian seasoning, some SPG from Grillaholics. We'll cut into that bad boy. All right, here's our finished product. Delicious looking, isn't it? All right, let's get cut into them. See what the inside looks like for us. Get out of there, fly. And there we got it. Look at that deliciousness right there. Tell me that's not delicious. All right, I'm gonna have to take a picture of that. We'll come back and do a taste test. All right, let's dig into this bad boy here. Chicken Parmesan burger. Look at that. There you got it, folks. Delicious. Give it a try on your own. You know how to do it now. We'll get you some of that stuff from Grillaholics. Get your 20% off with Cooking with Corey. See you next week.